So let's try a quick question to make sure you understand. Due to a rise in the cost of fruit production, the price of jelly rose by 25%. The demand for jelly fell by 5%, and the demand for peanut butter fell by 30%. This question is deliberately phrased to confuse you. There is an intentional overload of information. But we're not going to stress, we're going to recall the equations, substitute in the values that are relevant, and then work out from the multiple choice options which is the correct answer. So XED is the percentage change in quantity demanded of good A divided by the percentage change in price of good B. So we know that the price of jelly has risen by 25%. The demand for jelly has fallen by 5%. We would write that as -5. And the demand for peanut butter fell by 30%, so we'd also write that as -30. We are interested in the effect of the change in price of one good on the quantity demanded of the other, so we're going to take the -30% divided by 25%, and that will give us a negative answer. We don't even need to worry about calculating exactly because the multiple choice doesn't require us to. If we have a negative number to XED, that means we know we have complements. The second part is to know the PED value. We know that PED only needs to be given as an absolute value, and to calculate it, we find the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price. Now for PED, we're thinking about the same good, and we have two pieces of information for jelly. So we're going to show that the change in quantity demanded was a fall of 5, so -5, divided by the change in price of 25, and any number divided by a bigger number will give us a value less than 1, and so we know the PED will be inelastic, which tells us that we have a good that is a complement because XED was negative, and it is inelastic because PED was less than 1. And so we can see that the answer is D.